I got a better explanation from AI than my actual professor. Used one prompt, aced the exam. Here's what I said. So, my professor explained calculus derivatives in class. I understood nothing. Just formulas and Greek letters flying everywhere. I was completely lost. Then I asked ChatGPT to teach me like a professor would. But a good professor. The kind that actually explains things. It broke everything down step by step. Suddenly clicked. Here's the exact prompt I use. You are an expert professor. Teach me about this topic. Use simple language. Give examples. Check my understanding. Ask me questions. That's it. Works for any subject. Let me show you. I'll ask it to teach photosynthesis. Watch what happens. It starts with basics, then builds complexity, gives real-world examples, even asks if I understand before moving forward. This is how teaching should work. My biology professor just read slides. This AI actually checked my knowledge. I used this for my calc exam. Studied 3 hours instead of 10. Got 90%. Before this method, I averaged 72. The AI explains concepts 5 different ways until you get it. Real professors don't have that patience. They move on. Pro tip. Tell the AI your current level. High school, college, whatever. It adjusts. Also ask it to give practice problems after explaining. Then ask it to check your answers. You get instant feedback. Try this on your hardest subject. Comment what you're learning. Hit subscribe for more study hacks. Go get taught. Thanks for watching this one. Like if this helps your grades. Share with struggling classmates. More AI learning hacks soon.